flip. It's the 5th of December, Tuesday, and the birds have not been let out as I asked. Anyway, I did send a message asking for them to be sent out, but they're inside there, so I need to get in to let them out. And again, I will apologise to the little darlings. Hey guys, here we go, darlings. I'm so sorry. Hello, everybody. Hi. Hello. Come on. Down you go. They love me so much. Right. Hello. Oh, you're not up. Okay. You're not gone out. Poor babies. I'm stuck inside all that. Here we go, darlings. Okay. My apologies. It's not a nice day, as it happens. It's all overcast, rainy, drizzly, cold, miserable. But I still think you want to be outside, so I'm now going to have to clean out the shed, replace the papers because they've been cooped up and cooped up. Hello, Sparkles. How are you? Oh, that's not Sparkles. Oh, my apologies. Anyway, I'm going to put some spinach out. Found the lowest nest there, haven't you, darling? Oh, here's Pumpkin first. Sorry, Prince. There you go. Hello. Hello, Pumpkin. I guess. Hello, Pumpkin. There you go. There you go. I'll go now and say hello. Hello, Fudge. Hello. Oh, hello, darling. Hello. Hello. How are you? You have to have green, aren't you? Hello. Here's Pip. Here's Pip. And there's Faith. And Dream. And let me see. There you go, Aqua. Right, I've opened the door for you if you want to take a look. Okay? No, you can't go in there. No. Braveheart. We've got Prince and Hope there. You see, they look like twins, don't they? Exactly. Look at that coloration. We've got Hope has got more black in the feathers, but more Mum's colouring. So another slight difference. Oh, Lemoncello, let's see how your babies are going. Hello. Hi, Jack. Oh, look at our babies. In fact, I think the second one is going to have a majority white colour. I see white spikes. Look at you, darling. Or is this the youngest? Hang on. Hello, babies. Hello, Jack. You're cleaning out, darling. Hello, baby. How are you? I mean, I'm hoping that one egg may hatch. We're doing a lot of twitching now. Go, hold on. You're okay. You've got a baby yet, have you? Who's that? Okay. There we go. Let me I don't want to shut your tail in the door, darling, okay? Move your tail. Good girl. How you doing, darling? You alright? Good girl. I'll clean your nest out soon, alright? So we've got 5 eggs. We'll clean that nest out, darling. So we have the eldest. You can see the yellow spikes, and we've got white spikes coming out of the second one. The third one we can't quite make out yet, but the others are all a bit interested. We've got Prince here, and we have Braveheart, hello, darling, and Zebedee and Dream, and I think I have Fudge back here. Fudge? And then that looks like, what's that? There's that Bolt. There's Bolt. Hello, darling. Hello, baby. How are you? Huh? Pumpkin has green spinach going around his beak. That's a healthy looking beak. Okay, well, a bit Fudge and Braveheart are being a bit rambunctious, aren't you? Yeah. They're the naughty youngsters. So we Nice in the warmth tonight. We're going to leave you in the warmth. It's going to go down to 34 degrees, which is too cold. I don't want to worry about you, my darling. So you're now nicely in the warmth. You've got water, food, warmth, all right? And seed. Good night. Once as I'm going, Lemoncello with the babies. Good girl. And Jack. Good boy, good girl. Good, gorgeous little ones. Well done. Good night. Okay, there's Aqua. Good night, everybody. Sleep well, all right? All right? Sleep well, everybody. Good night. Love you. Love you, love you.